my entire reason for wanting to come to GWADAR is finally happening. I am at the beautiful GWADAR Cricket Stadium that for me is just one of, well, it's like top 2 most beautiful cricket stadiums in the world for me now. And ever since I lived in India and used to write a bit for Wisden, I wrote about IPL, well, IPL 6 and 7, 5, 6 and 7. I've been a huge cricket fan. So my only disappointment in this is that I can't actually watch a match because we are in the middle of a pandemic. But I am going to fly the drone. We are going into the locker rooms, into the VIP area. I'm going to walk you all around to some of the areas that hopefully you haven't seen yet, and show you a bird's eye view of this beautiful stadium. There's also a group of young men here, I guess in training. So I'm going to try and get some shots of them. Hopefully they'll start playing a little bit. That would be quite nice to show as well. But let's go and tour the beautiful GWADAR Stadium that John Kamal inaugurated back, I think, November of 2020. So it is brand spanking new. I have to tell you, I honestly, I haven't watched all of the stadium videos a lot. I've just seen, I've flipped through and seen the shots, especially the drone shots. And I thought that there was more seating. Right now the capacity is 6,000, but this space here that you see, which is just going to be gorgeous, and then back over on this side as well, so that the view of what people see is just this, beautiful part of the mountain here. They're going to break ground and start construction, and that will give them a capacity of close to 20,000 fans that can be here in the seats. Now I will say as well, the VIP area is much smaller and the changing room much smaller, but I still stand to the notion that this is the first or second most beautiful cricket stadium in the world right now, because this view is so pretty. But the VIP area is just basically here. In other stadiums that I've been to, like Chinnaswamy in Bangalore, the VIP area is huge, the president boxes, there's all of this. So hopefully in this space here, they'll also build some corporate sponsor boxes, because money is needed here in Balochistan, corporate sponsors are needed in Balochistan, and this would be an amazing place to showcase one's services, products, and love for cricket and love for Balochistan. So all of this construction will start soon. When it does, I hope to come back again and give you an update, because this place is just beautiful. You should definitely stop in here when you are at GWADAR. Try and get permission to come onto the ground. Okay, this cracks me up. What do you think? It was wishful thinking on a fan's part to bring their own VIP seat? Because it's right. Anyway, I found that funny. Okay, I'm gonna go try and shoot the guys that are on the field without disrupting them. Sweat is starting to drip down quite literally everywhere. It's pretty gross now. It's hot here. First time I was in Balochistan, it was kind of winter-ish, and it was beautiful during the day and then freezing cold at night. But now it's it's a different story I'm telling. So let's see if we can get these guys playing a bit of cricket here. and some younger players back there. I wish there was a pro team here right now, or just, yeah, that would have been really fun to watch. Okay, come on guys. Okay, oh my god, I'm so sweaty right now. It is hot. All right, the guys behind me are from an under-19 league that they are, I guess, holding tryouts for today. They'll choose, I think if I remember correctly, it's 20 guys, and there'll be a team in each district within Balochistan with the intent of cultivating young talent from like more rural areas, like guys that would never have a shot at ever playing pro or getting into the semi-professional leagues could have a shot if they're able to shine in these junior leagues. So that is what's going on behind me. I think it's a great initiative. It really does help those kids that would never ever have a chance otherwise to possibly be able to play professional cricket here in Pakistan.